Creating a Facebook page is very easy and takes less than minutes to set it up. You must have an existing Facebook account before you proceed. The first step is to go to facebook.com/pages/create. You'll be given 6 options for your page. Choose a page category that best represents the intention of your page and select a more specific category from the drop-down menu. Next, fill out the required information and click Get Started. For example purposes, we will be selecting company, organization, or institution. There are 3 items which you need to set up before launching your Facebook page. These are your page profile picture, cover page, and details about your company. The profile picture is displayed as 170 pixels by 170 pixels. You are recommended to upload an image double the size for better resolution. Here's a power tip. Choose a simple image to best represent your business. For your cover page, it is highly recommended to use high-quality JPEGs, measuring 1640 pixels width and 624 pixels height. This gives you sharper uploaded images. Always keep it simple and put your brand name and logo as the cover page or use stock images and Photoshop it for a branded touch. To upload your cover photo, click Add a Cover and you can choose to upload either a picture or a video. Next, fill in the description about your company. Click these 3 dots to expand your options. Then click Edit Info. Fill in all the information about your company under these 4 tabs: General, Contact, Location, and Hours. The final step is to publish posts to start engaging with your audience. Post images, text, or videos consistently to build and engage with your audience.